Hi guys, my name is Elliot Forbes, head barber at the MÜHLE treatment space in Carnaby. Today we're talking about the benefits of a shaving brush and how to use it. My brush of choice is the Silvertip Fibre. It's super low maintenance, it's handmade and it's suitable for vegans. The tips on it are very soft, then the midsection is slightly firmer than what you'd find on a traditional badger brush. As we all know, preparation before shaving is so important. It's key to making the shave as relaxing and as enjoyable as possible. And the brush isn't just a way of applying the shaving cream, it's a way of turning the shave into more of a ritual as opposed to it being a trial. It does a great job of exfoliating the skin and getting rid of any dead skin cells on the face, which could cause any tugging or pulling when you're shaving. The recommended time for using one is up to 3 minutes, so in that time you're really generating quite a bit of heat into the face, so you're warming that up, which then softens the hairs down really nicely as well on the face. Badger hair was used originally because it does a very good job of keeping firm when you get it moist. It doesn't just flop like you would say if you use a makeup brush, if you put that in a bit of water, it would flop straight flat. Whereas if you're using a badger brush, it keeps its firm structure, therefore making it great at lifting hairs off the face so that they're pointing straight out. You then can use less pressure on with the blade. You don't have to sort of force down with it and make aggressive strokes. You can just glide straight off the face and do a real nice swift stroke. So I'm applying a decent amount of pressure so that it can spread out slightly. I'm using a very circular motion so that no matter which way that the hair is sat down, obviously a lot of guys have different growth patterns, it's able to then pick up the hairs so that they are sat out at the right angle that we need them to be. A nice little tip for when you're working around the mouth and the moustache area is actually to suck both of the lips all the way into the mouth and then apply it. And then when you open, obviously they're nice and clean. And then you're ready to shave. Thanks for watching today, guys. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to drop a comment down below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Please check back on the channel for more shaving hints and tips.